The business world is full of risk. We all face traditional issues such as financial cash flows, health and safety, IT security, and compliance. Increasingly, the biggest risk for some businesses is standing still or remaining relevant against the backdrop of new competitors and different business models. Running a business is like spinning plates, and risk management helps to prioritize and manage those plates before they fall. I'm Danny Wong, founder and CEO of Goat Risk Solutions. I've spent nearly 20 years in risk management, including most recently completing a 3-year benchmark study of risk management maturity across over 150 companies. What I discovered is that the risk profession still needs to do more to engage senior executives around risk, to better use risk in decision making and demonstrate value through risk management. Risk maturity and capability is still low in many businesses, despite us being in times of rapid change and uncertainty. So why goat? Goats are a sure-footed animal that can climb to great heights. I'm a true believer that good risk management combined with data can result in greater outcomes. And that's what we do. We built GOAT to achieve 3 priorities: strengthen senior stakeholder engagement, improve risk maturity and embed risk capability in the business, and to implement a data-led approach to risk management that helps inform decisions. Let's get into the system. Each client has a secure login screen and a dedicated URL. Once logged in, you're in a personalized dashboard that tells you all the things you own. Or if you're interested in other people's risks, you could also pin them here. The database structure is as simple as can be. It is a collection of risk profiles. These could be anything from departments, teams, projects, or contracts. Each risk profile is a container holding a number of risks. And of course, each risk has various attributes. Let's click on a risk profile. This heat map is a common risk tool that plots risk against impact and likelihood. This is a 5x5 matrix where the highest risks are in the top right-hand corner shown in red. We use this scoring method as a prioritization mechanism based on the risk owner's judgment against definitions set out here. It's common practice to assess risks based on gross, net, and target, but this could all be configurable in our system. The bubbles represent risks, which are listed in priority order here based on the risk score. We click into a risk to see the details. The risk has a security model to control who can see it. We mentioned the scoring is just a quick prioritization method. The risk has various attributes such as risk appetite, controls, actions, which have reminders and workflows. You can add comments or start a risk discussion, and record or track incidents attached to risks. Risk committees and executive discussions get much more interesting when you are able to refer to data in the form of key risk indicators. We know most risk registers, particularly Excel-based registers, tend to shy away from collecting this form of data. But we believe this is a major opportunity to step change the impact and perception of risk management and directly inform executive decision making. With KRIs in place, we're now talking about how the risk is trending based on data instead of narrative language or subjective assessment scores. We can talk about the impact actions are having on the data instead of just whether the actions have been completed on time. It's the old saying, what gets measured gets managed. So let's measure and manage our key risks. Getting output reporting is simple and can be extracted here. Simply select the scope of risk profiles and choose from a growing choice of reports. We work with our clients to make reports that are useful to them. Here are a few that we have today. Stepping back out of the system, risk management is the only function whose remit cuts across the whole business. Capturing the biggest risks, challenges, issues, we then prioritize these and ask risk owners how these should be measured. The system soon evolves into something pretty powerful, the single source of key data combined with the risk narrative along with actions, discussions, escalations, and workflows. It's everything you need to scale risk with confidence.